And Gigi here with Super Savvy Travelers. Look how big she's getting, and she looks so glamorous in her sweater. Anyway, we are in Maiera today, which is just a little short drive from Santa Dominica to Lao. It's a hill town up next to Grisolia. Both of them are gorgeous hill towns, but this one we especially like because it has some very special features. Anyway, it is olive season here, and on the way here we saw all the people out with their olive nets and harvesting the olives, and we hope to bring you some footage of what it's like to harvest them and how you actually go about doing it. We think we're going to be able to do that tomorrow if it's not raining. So anyway, here is Maiera, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. Okay, we just got out of the car, and boy oh boy, look at this view from up here. There's a little overlook here. Maiera is right on the edge of this hill, and just kind of clinging on by its toenails. And the view out here and from these houses is absolutely gorgeous. Now over in the distance there, on that little hill, you can kind of see it. That's the ruins of Torella Vecchia. Torella Vecchia was an old town of Torella, and unfortunately Napoleon and his gang came and decimated it with their cannons and whatnot. Makes no sense. Why would you do something like that? Nonetheless, that's what happened. So we're going to go through Maiera right now and show you what it looks like. Little peppers on the ground. This is showing you the way to the Peperoncino Museum. So they painted little peppers on the pavement so you know where to go. That's very cute. And I love all these places because look at these pretty details and pieces of art everywhere. Just lovely. Everywhere you look, little bits of art stuck on the walls. Very pretty. This wasn't here last time I was here. They didn't have all this art. It was still very pretty, but they didn't have the art on the walls. It was very cool. Look at that. Are you coming? Oh, look at you running like a pro in your jacket. Oh, very nice. Good girl. Good girl. Gigi escaped from Pete. Now she's with me in her sweater. Come on, Gigi. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Gigi. Come on, Gigi. Okay. This is so pretty. Look at this. These weren't here when we were here last, Pete. We were last here 11 years ago. I remember this section of rock.
I think it was 2014 when the kids were here. You weren't up here when I came up.
That's right. I remember that.
2012. One of the kids.
Yeah. This is beautiful arch. The arches here have sort of an identity of their own. Usually on the top of the arch you have a date. And it's not the date that the house was built, but the date that the arch was built. Gigi's upset because there's too much space between me and her, and she's with Dad. Oh, here's a little B&B here. I think that would be a lovely B&B because it probably has beautiful views out the back. Okay, here's the money shot. That, my dear friends, is Grisolia. It's across this huge canyon up on the other side. The landscape here in Calabria is absolutely spectacular. There's Grisolia. Maiera just sitting up here on the ridge. Let's go through this little tunnel and see where it takes us. Actually, no, let's go around the outer edge because we're going to go see. Let's go see the Museum of Pepperoncini. Follow the peppers, everybody. Follow the peppers and it'll take you there. Well, this is interesting. Slightly disturbing, but interesting. Wow, look how the sun just lights on this particular building. And look at that, it goes way down. That is one heck of a river gorge. You can wave to your friends in Grisolia.
So I'm thinking,
Everywhere in Maiera, there's these little staircases that take you places, little corners and angles, and we're going to head down this one and see where it goes. Okay, look at this. This little piazza is so pretty. And that's the sea out there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's gorgeous. And somebody's playing some music. Here's the church. Very pretty. And you know what's very interesting? That house that says Vendizi on the door down below. Pretty sure that's the same house we looked at 11 years ago when we were looking for property here. It was very gorgeous, but we love Santa Domenica Talao. Although, what's not to love about Maiera?